So here I am on the 9 from Upton Crossroads to Poole bus station with a special guest today, Daniel's Dorset Travel. Hello! So this afternoon me and Matthew are on 11:49, HW09 BCO, ETA back to Poole bus station. Should hopefully be 1:03 PM, but as we're running a bit late, it'll most likely to be 1:04 or 1:08 PM. A light here for Poole Quay. So frequency for the 9, it runs every half hourly, Monday to Saturday, and every hour on a Sunday and bank holiday, on Sundays and bank holidays. Next stop, Old Orchard. A light here for Poole Quay. Here we go. So we got to Old Orchard at 1:01. Line to Poole Circular. So 11:49 to one of the ex-Vectis Scania N270UD OMNICities. Oh, on the 8 is 2251 HW12 GVP. That was an 8 to Turlinmore. Nelson Court, Sainsbury's, Poole Quarter, Poole bus station. So tune into my YouTube channel next, as I'll be taking the Purbeck Breezer 40 from Poole bus station to Swanage bus station at 1:35 PM. Next stop, Sainsbury's. Come on. Time now is 1:03 PM. We would have got there by now. So as we're running late today, it'll now be 1:05 or 1:10 PM. Hopefully around 1:06, probably same time as the 8. So, a little bit of context about 11:49. This was originally given to Vectis in 2009, but recently last year, they got transferred over to Morebus, and they can be seen. So, 11:47 to 52 can often be seen doing the bus routes in Poole, but sometimes you can see them in Bournemouth on rare occasions. But yeah. So we're just on Southdown Bridge. Do they want this one? Nope. Just skip ahead. Looks like they want the route 1. Next stop, this stop is Poole Quarter. Stop, Poole bus station. Oh, what's this bus coming out now? There's one coming out of the fuel line. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, that one over there. Yep, 1191. So YouTube viewers, you might remember 1191 as that was my bus on a 5 to so 1191 was my bus on the 5 from Kidson to Bournemouth. So as you can see, you've got 2 60s and a Scania omni-decker again at the bus station. So which Scania omni-decker is that then, Matthew? I think that's 1020, isn't it? Oh yeah, we're going into the hard stand now. We're going into the hard stand. So see you in the next video, guys. Oh, nope. We're going into... Oh, this is odd. I think we're going into G stand. Yep, we're going into G stand now. So we've got 1831 on the 60 to Sandbanks and 1833 on the 60 to Rockley Park. That's what I'm going to say in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.